see the LPG is going to the LPG treater, correct? It has the capacity of treating 404 million metric ton per hour. We are experiencing a peculiar process. Engineer 6 months ago did not come across DSO, FCC or DCU can also adversely affect amine unit performance in forming refinery engineer, and that is the answer. Now we come to the natural gas. We come to the organic materials in plant and animals. Of the years, and by the process of the diet, ethane, this is ethane, not pentane, this is ethane. It is known as the wet gas. We call it 0.0 to 0.02%, nitrogen 0 to 5%, H2S 0 to 5%. This is a composition of natural. Now, source are rocks rich in organic matter. Source, how easily rock material will transit fluid due to changes in pressure. Petroleum accumulation from earth crust can be categorized as follows: unconventional and conventional method. In unconventional are your shale oil and gas, coal bed methane. Conventional is your crude reservoirs, sands and reservoir rocks. Now CNG is your compressed natural gas, a substitute of fossil fuel for diesel, petrol and propane. Now preparation, it is made by compressing the natural gas composed of methane to less than 1% of volume. Natural gas is compressed to its natural gas condensate in the Iran and Qatar, that is UAE. Major production of natural gas western offshore in India, Assam, Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat are the major onshore production areas. Lesser amount also produced in Tripura, Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan. This is our indigenous production of natural gas. Importance, it is cheap than other fuels. It is dispersed quickly when released. It is lighter than air. It releases less carbon into the atmosphere. Means clean fuel. An engine running on petrol for 100 km emits 22,000 grams of CO2. 100 km. Engine running 100 km on gasoline or petrol gives the emission of carbon dioxide 22,000 grams. For the same distance, 6 CO2 and the engine. Just as with gasoline, once the engine has received the gas, means fuel, it ignited in the combustible chamber, and this provides the energy to power. And you see, this is a diagram where this is the engine and this is the CNG tank. From CNG tank, the fuel shut-off valve that you can shut off, you can run on the dual system on gasoline. Now, when you open it will reducing more, reducing the pressure. Now then the fuel gallery, when fuel gallery, the fuel is going to the spark plug, where injector is there, it gets spark. This is throttle valve. Air is coming from this side. Air and gas mixture is pressurized, and it reaches the spark zone, and it gets spark, and then ignition plug is there, where the compressed air and CNG going to the engine, and the engine starts running. Then the emissions are, you see over here, 0.3, gasoline 45, lower heating value 45.9, 2.2, density 2.75. Now in 5.2, ignition energy megajoules per kg is 0.26 and 0.33. Now CNG is environmental friendly, low maintenance cost other than other vehicles.
Sir, ignition energy and calorific.
Yeah.
Ignition energy.
Calorific value is total
energy consumed.
energy, noise pollution. Disadvantage, CNG tank requires high storage capacity. So when you are compressed, the tank is much more than other fuel engine of the same car. CNG filling stations have limited availability as compared to gasoline. Not in every city you will find. And the gasoline. Now, what cost of production in storage? LNG is stored at very low temperature. As a liquid, it has higher cost of production and storage. CNG requires a much larger volume to store the same mass of gasoline or petrol, and the use of very high pressure, nearly 3000 to 4000 psi or 205 to 275 bar. LNG is often used for transporting natural gas over large distance in ships, trains or pipelines, and the gas is then converted into the CNG. This is the difference. Conclusion: due to this above reasons, CNG most useful for vehicle as a fuel to reduce the pollution, and it is cheap than other fuels like petrol and diesel, and CNG as attractive for the reasons it is clean, it is safe and available technology, it is the only fuel cheaper than gasoline or the diesel, it has produced lower air pollution. This is all about this gasoline. Some of the slides you are seeing, this is the blood which I have taken from the presentation. This is available in the net, and these images I have taken the presentation by Mr. Shivam Kumar of Birla Institute of Technology, and this is thanks all about the CNG. Clear?